Last class you are not there. Huh? Yeah. Okay. Chalo. Attendance sign and pass it. Adya, finally, what about the area? Area part was. You wait na. You listen na. Relax na. So we are practicing. Okay. All of you please stand up once again. Given one question to everyone now. I will given one question to everyone now. How going to prepare this is the the option means you have to do more than one question.
Which question?
You did. What happened to Ankit? Huh? 8 questions. Did you try to sir, I forgot about God. You forgot. You listen. Priyanshi. Priyanshi, what about you? So you are telling something. You this now you are reopening the book and say it. You
I remember, but I didn't.
you didn't do. You that's not tough question. Maybe that's the easiest explain line. All of you sit down. All of you sit down. What is your topic question? Let me see. She doesn't know it's good to you. B question she doesn't know but topic. Yeah. Then B oh, that is the easiest among all the three. So we are getting it into that. Huh? Okay. That it's not there now. So we will stop this chapter now.
Yes, yes. Okay.
Very good. So, for those who are done the so those who prepare and take standard, make those who did got the same. She was sitting what? I don't know. You know the solution? Very good. Good, good. Okay, Rahi, very good. See, very good. You also very good. How many questions? Good. One question. Two questions. Two questions. Good. They 3 people done. Only 3. They are done now. And they did not come. My this they didn't come now. Your toughest question was the easiest question. Huh? You solved it. You know one property only you have to apply. Which property? Triangles is the same width and between and triangles equal in area. That only. Anyway, then no problem. Now look here. Since this chapter is not there now I'm stopping this one. Basic. I want. Why you're late? You're sleeping. Nobody is there to call you. Nobody is there to call you, wake you up. Where's the mummy? That's all. She's also sleeping. You did any practice at that? Did you do anything? You are here about with everyone how much they practice symptoms? 50, 35, 25, 45, 60. And you? I'll come and tell you. This way is there a way? Hello? Is there a way to solve? Way you tell me? Without practice. Rahi, enough no? Without any practice. Sit down. Who is this by? Enough now. After again. Sign and pass, keep it out there. Now we are left out, so only the chapter is what? The probability. Okay. Other than the probability, everything is there? No. Okay. Now listen. We will do in a day today, if it is possible, we'll complete. Otherwise, one more day we will complete the work. Okay, for us.
So what will you do like after completing the task?
After come, yeah. Now listen. Once if the chapter is completed, then your test papers are there. A full test paper will be there. Not required. Look here. Second, sometimes revisions are there. Okay, revising the topic will be there. Second, more than the revision, you have to, you don't wait for the, it is not that come the class and go on, okay, holidays are started. Remember, this is the one month now, December is middle of December. Most of your schools will be conducting your final exam in, February. Okay. Beginning February, some of the people will do, some schools does in Jan also, end of Jan. Okay, because of the 12th, 10th and 12th standard board exam, practical exams and all are there. So they will do in end of Jan, some beginning of February, or by end of February. Okay, this is the one. Now, so if you see this one means again you will be having holiday. Christmas holiday will be there. These all holidays will be there. Again in your school. Why I'm telling this one means in the school there are activities will be there. Some of the schools, most of the schools, this is the time for your annual days. Annual days based on that one, some activities, celebrations and all. Activities, everything it is there means mainly involved students are 9th standard. And if 11th is there, 11th standard. I don't know how many of the school got 11th standard. So 9th and 11th are equally participating. 10th and 12th they will not be because of the board exams. Most of the cases, there are very rare cases. Why I am telling this one means, you just imagine if one of the activity you are participating in, how many days, how many classes you will be absent or you will be skipping. So that much time will be wasted. Nobody, after all these activities, exam will come. Nobody will ask, which dance you were there, which song or mark will be given. Nothing like that. You know it very well, no? Okay, so what I am telling, don't think you keep questions are over or time to sleep. Utilize this time. First thing is check. Right from chapter 1 till chapter end. Whichever the chapters are coming, because some of the schools, some topics are coming additional. All say this chapter, okay, Euclid geometry. One school said yes, it is there. One school said it is not there. Surface area only. One school said no, we will do in 10th standard only, along with the other chapter. One school said 3-4 exercises of that. One school says no, it is there like all the other topics where previously it was taught. So you will get the question based on that also. Remember that one, don't think that surface area volume, we have only 4 exercises. These all were there in the 8th standard. Based on that also make question can come. So you have to according to that one. So you need to practice. Then take out the chapters. These chapters I am facing problem. Maybe facing problem is what? One. I tried, but I am not able to do anything. Second, I tried, but something I know, but when I solving, I am not able to solve the questions. So that means we both are equally involved. All of UT and tell there is a problem with this chapter. They need an extra lecture or something. They will arrange. But these are things you have to prepare yourself also. Then only not that come and all. Are you following what I'm telling? Yeah. Second, practice. Okay, I will able to practice. Then after practicing, let's say quadrilaterals is a chapter. you practice. There were around 50 sums again. Out of 50, I could get only, let's say, as 25 to 30. Remaining sums are problems. Again, for DP, I needed out of this many sums are there. They will arrange an extra lecture for you. Okay, extra lecture. So that one. Now, third, you did hardly 1 or 2 or 3 some doubts are there. Not down. There are doubt solving times are there. Ask them to clarify the doubt solving. When doubt solving, you mark whatever is there, you mark and leave. This one, this is the question. So there are, it is, I'm not talking about this maths only, all the subjects, this is the way. Once again, remember, it's a duty means it is not come for time pass. It is your parents, if you ask your parents, they paid a lot of money in the youth. So make it utilized, and at the end, when the portion gets over 9 standard, when I joined this one, my mark was this much only. Because of this extra class control, and my percentage would have increased. That way, should feeling will be there. Understood? Why this one? These are the basic toward the 10 standard. Still, there are people don't think that next year there is no board exam and all. There are rumors, some people are telling it is not a new NEP and all things. That all things are later stage only. It is not now. It is not. Now, it's the next year board exam is there for you people. NEP and all casual, it's a gradually process. They may start now from 5th standard or something, from 5th standard when they come. And there are different systems and all. Don't think that NEP become everything proper. Everything, if you have to study with, they you have to study with, you have to study that some other way. So don't think that it is there. Okay, madam, your counting is going. She's adding all the marks. Okay. So done. So do it, all these things. So seriously do it. Please don't think duty is not there. What is the duty is not there? What to study? Not like that. Okay. And after that, once it is a portion over, this one, your 12th standard immediately, sorry, your 9th standard, immediately your 10th standard work has to start. In next year, by March, we will be starting our portions and all. So accordingly, once it is done, basics. When I do the first chapter itself is coming as maths, it is coming as real numbers. In the real numbers means first thing is what chapter studied in 9th standard, rational numbers. Numbers is there. If you know me, quite a lot. Then if you know that which means 10th standard real numbers, quite a lot of things you can do it. It's not that you can't do, it's not new, there are a lot. Next chapter will come, again, linear equations or polynomial. Yes, I studied again polynomial, I studied polynomial with the help of that one additional things. So that is why 9th standard and in quite a lot of topic of 9th and 10th are similar and little additional extent. Surface area volume, same thing is there, same formula only, additionally 1 or 2 formula only yesterday. Now, questions, new type combinations comes and all the things are coming there, comes are there. So it's 9th, it's equally important for the 10th standard. So keep in mind that I need to do these all. Understood or not? Okay. Statistics, again, it's continuation only. Almost quite a lot of chapters you can see it's continuation. Okay, there are new topics you'll study. One of the important ones, trigonometry you'll study, then sequence and series, another topic. There are topics are there. AP progressions and all. Okay, coordinate geometry, little more detailed study. Yes, I will be chapter. Circle now what is out. Okay, tell.
Yes, we did it.
Radius for the distance between the common chord is how much? The distance between centers is how much? Find the distance. What are the 3 things that you want? One is one radius is equal to 5 centimeter. Second radius is equal to 3 centimeter. Third, one something else is given. Huh? You have to find out the distance. How much? 492 is equal to 4 centimeter. Yes or no? And you have to find the length of the common chord. You know? This is how many, what are these 3? If you see these three means what? They are Pythagorean triplets. You know what you mean Pythagorean? Avni, what is the problem?
3 square plus 4 square is 5
So
square.
3 square, 4 square adding, it is same as 5 square. So that means Pythagorean triplet. Do you know what you mean by Pythagorean triplets? What is the meaning? They form the side of a right triangle. So that means when you draw this figure, first you have to write them. This is a typical special case. Okay. Generally, it will not come Pythagorean. This is something else, about 7 centimeter, then it will not be Pythagorean triplet. So you will be getting us one small circle is there, one big circle, this is a small circle, then which angle is 90 degree? Which is a hypotenuse? 5. So that means this is you have to make it little more smaller one. So why means the center will come. This is O2. This is O1. And distance between this is equal to 4. This is 3. This is 5. What is O2 is what is so this is the center now. So this angle is 90 degree now. There is some problem. That one is clear. Now how the condition is coming, how it is O2 is equal to 3 centimeter. Look, this is Pythagorean triplet now. Okay, then it is coming as this is distance between center is equal to this one 4 centimeter. This is 3 centimeter. This is the triangle is coming. Then and what is this radius will be same as the distance between the common curve. If you want to do the other way, what is the answer you got?
So I think it's the question of 10.2%.
What is the answer you got? 6 centimeter you got now? Yes or no? If without Pythagoras theorem, if you are going to do means you take the center as this way. This is exactly the figure will come. Then you will write this way. Therefore, O2 is the center of the and this is the common chord. This is 3 means this is equal to 3. That is the way. Otherwise, generally the figure comes this way. If I take this is the center, join this one. This is the common chord. This is 5. This is 3. Okay, this is equal to is equal to 4. Okay, 4 means if I take x, this will be 4 minus x. This is y and this is y. This page is clear now. Now, over here you take this triangle or this 3 now. Yes or no? Take this triangle. First triangle Pythagoras theorem apply now. X square plus y square is equal to 3 square, that is equal to 9. Second one, what will you get? X 4 minus x.
All square.
All square plus y square will be equal to 5 square, which is 25. Expand 4 16 4 square plus x square plus y square is equal to what is the value of x square plus y square? So therefore 16 minus 8x plus 9 is equal to how much?
20.
Have you followed this also? 16 plus 9 is how much? 25. 25 is equal to 25 cancel. So minus 8x is equal to 0. For x is equal to 0. This is equal to 0. Yes or no? Therefore, this point, if I take this as a point, P and O are same, O2 are the same point. You got it now, x equal to 0, you got now. What is the what value of x? What is the meaning? Distance equal to 0 means what? They both are same point now. The figure is actual figure is this one. Okay. When we calculated this way, when you got the distance equal to 0, that means what? Distance between O2 and P is equal to 0. Means P itself is the center of the circle. P and O2 are same thing. Okay, that means this is O2 only. So this will be 4. This will be Y will be equal to 3. If it is this only Y equal to 3, you got now. Therefore, this length is equal to 6. Directly, if you want to write, first you write the Pythagorean triplets. Then after that, write this will be the center will be on the common chord. Huh? Then what is this? This is center now. And what will be this one? This is the radius now. This also is radius. 3 plus 6. Okay. This Y equal to 6 now. This Y also is equal to 3. Sorry, this is 3 means this also is 3. Both are equal now. You got this one Y equal to put X equal to 0. What is the value of Y? Y square and Y equal to 3. So this is 3, this is 3. 3 plus 3 equal to 6. Okay. This is a typical question that was come. Here generally you will not get this type. Generally this is the way to get, then you will get the value of X. Yes. Any other problems? No. The chapter next is coming as what? Probability. Statistics we are done now.
Yes.
The next chapter is called probability. This is done in your school?
No.
Huh? Now, is it deleted in anyone's school?
In my
Your school it is deleted.
not taught.
Not also, deleted also. Huh? Coming now. Avni, it is deleted? Whatever you say. Okay. All of you can close your probability. You don't need to try open the volume now. I'll tell you the volume. Okay. Have you studied probability in previous class?
Yes.
Where 8 standard. Huh? Good. She got only online, offline. Then what? You not taught in the huh? Is it taught in 8th standard? Avni, is it taught in your 8th standard? No issues, no? So that means you know. Okay. Probability in 8th standard study, probability will be studying in 9th standard, probability will be studying in 10th standard. These are the very simple part of the probabilities, the very basics only you have to study. Okay. Now, after that, beyond that, you will be little counting part and all you will be seeing as okay. There are complicated counting principles you will study. Counting principle means, suppose for example, I'll tell you an example in this class. How many boys are here? Okay, 4 boys are there. How many girls are there? 4 plus 4, 8. Okay, 9 more girls are there. Okay, 9. So total how many students are there? 13 students are there. I need to select, let's say 5 students. How many ways I can select? Or forget about 5. I need to select 2 students. 2 students I need to select. How many ways I can select?
So can you explain the question?
In there are this class, there are how many are there? 9 plus 4, 13 students are there. I wanted to just select 2 students.
Random.
How many ways I can select? That random means how many ways? Not infinite. No. Okay, just how 3? I wanted to select 2 students for me this class. Whatever the reason.
Just toss the coin.
All of them have equal chance. I can select these 2. Or I can select these 2. Or I can select these 2. But not 13. There are a lot of things. Now look here. For example, listen. I selected him. With him, remaining how many are there? 12. That itself 12 ways I can select now. He is selected. Okay. Rohan is selected. Okay, one more I need. So one among it can be here. So one for this. Okay. So instead of Rohan, I selected him. And again one more I can select. Have you followed? There are 13 into 12, 156 ways you can get it. Okay, don't think about that. There is a okay. Are you followed or not? There are ways of it. So that is the way. You means one is there, remaining are there like that. The way. Or one, or let's only one child I need. How many ways I can select? 13 different ways. So one child brought over here. Then remaining how many are there? 12. One more to be selected. So 12 different ways. Together means there are 13 to 12 ways. Like that. There are counting principles are there. You don't need to do anything out there. I just don't suddenly this one. Okay. Now over there conditions will be there. Okay, this was the school. Okay, out of which the one particular child should not be included. Then how many ways should be there? That there are ways are there, okay. Or particular child will be always it should be included. Then how many ways are there? I don't think are there. Okay, so these ways are there. So correspondingly, the conditions are there. Anyway, that all not there, you don't have probability. You heard about this one. Tossing the coin.
Yes.
All of you know.
Yeah.
Okay. Dice, you know, dice.
Yeah.
Okay. Card, you know.
Yeah.
Huh? Cards, all of you know. Okay. Listen. Okay. These all things you have to do. He is interested in ball. What is the ball? It's selecting ball. Okay. Pen or they can select. Okay. Or they can select. Okay. Okay. Now, have you heard about experiments? You heard about now? Okay. Experiments means you know what? Where you heard about experiments? Science lab is correct. Okay. Now, I will tell you one science lab, one experiment. You tell me. Anyone experiment.
Burning of magnesium oxide.
Burn a
Magnesium
magnesium.
ribbon.
A magnesium ribbon, and what is the result you get when you burn?
Magnesium oxide.
Magnesium oxide.
Silvery white.
Achha, you will find its color. Okay, identify the color by identifying
Or acid or base.
what do you want to tell? Huh? Now, let's say this one. So he said one ribbon is given asked to identify the type, which type of ribbon. Okay, that is very one color has some. Okay, the color of that one, isn't it? You there is some burning ashes will come, then you decide. He did once. All of you it is being given. All of you will get the same answer, no?
Yeah.
Okay. Any number of times. Okay, once he decided, okay, one piece he cut and burn. Second time, same answer will come. Third time, same answer will come. That means I will get the result I know. Once it will make always I know this is going to happen. I'll keep a coin over here. I'll ask someone to again. I'll ask him to toss it. Do you know what the meaning of tossing? Okay. Do you know what in the head? Head is head. It is very who knows what is the head of the coin? Those who know, raise the hand. Where, what do you mean by head of? Yes, where the emblem is there, it is what is the emblem? Five times. The emblem connect. So finally, all hello. Come find low. Stop now. Stop now. Low. Stop. All of you agreed in the emblem that is lion only, no? Now the argument is I asked how many lines are there in the emblem? Two. Hey, all of you be quiet now. Yeah. You don't know. Who knows it? Yes. 4 lines are there. Visible is 3 only. Okay. When you see in their coin, you will see only 3 lines. Maybe she made the line also. So that means head means where the emblem has seen. Okay. And what is the tail? The number. Okay. The number side is called the tail. Okay. Now, chalo. When you toss the coin, I asked him to toss the coin. So he tossed, let's say 10 times. I mark the result. What will be the result? It can be head or it can be tail. Any other possible?
No.
Movies and see now the coin will be standing this way. Some of the movies, when Rajnikant movies and all, the Possible to stand that coin? Yes, she will. Possible, now. Avni stand up. Avni stand up now. Next stand up now. Bring one coin and toss it and show that coin. You are seeing, can you make it down? Where is it? In cricket, we see. Cricket, the coin was standing on it. So you hold this way. Okay, you can keep it over here in between the fingers. You give them the coin. Maybe they should. How will you keep? Have you ever seen the coin was standing vertically? After that, have you? You see, the society bring that society coin. Okay, okay. Coin got a stand. You know to stand up. There is. You will. Okay, in movie and only we'll see the coin will be standing vertically. Okay. Now, other than movie, it is in reality, it doesn't happen. Okay, yeah, you're okay. You bring now. Okay, we will also see. I don't. You have anyone seen? Coin is standing vertically. Avni, please bring it and show it. Okay, we are all interested to see now. Yes, Avni will bring. Okay, no problem. You also give. Pose rotate and go. No, divide is rotating and it may go on. It not be standing on it. No, time we have. Okay. Now, okay. So the result. So when he tossed the coin, how many times I said? 10 times. All the 10 times he got the answer as head. Okay. When first time he got, second time possible, no? Okay. What will be the answer in the 11th time? 50%. The tail. Huh? Tell loud. Unpredictable. Very good. You cannot predict that one. It may be heard, maybe tail, but we know what is going to happen. What is going to happen? It has to happen either head or tail. Such experiments. So two types of experiments I said. He did one magnesium ribbon. He tried to do 25 pieces are there. Every time burning the same result will come. Even when first time I burned, I got the result. Then you know that every time the same answer is going to happen. Yes or no? Always. Whereas his case, what he tossed the coin once, that came. But the second time, we don't know what is going to happen. These type of experiment are called unpredictable. Unpredictable means these type of experiment are called random experiments. What type of experiment? Random experiment. So random experiments are coming as in probability. Your physics, science experiments are not random experiments, normal experiments, random experiments. What is the difference between them? Mansu? What? What is the or lot of predictions are there, okay. It is not only there are lot. Okay, lot of predictions are there. Being nowadays World Cup is going on, so predictions will go on. Okay. So who is going to win the World Cup? Who is going to win the World Cup? France. Brazil is already out. Argentina, gone, Brazil is already gone. Then France is there. Morocco is there. So the predictions are there, but who is going to win? We don't know. At last only will come. Okay, even last moment also, maybe 1 second, fraction of a second also game can change. Isn't it? Okay. Amplitude comes, hello, like that. Okay, so these are called random. So predictions are called random experiment. So we are talking about in probability random experiments. Now, the results of the random experiments are called outcomes. What result is coming? That is called outcomes. Okay, outcome means what result is coming. So one by one, outcomes we are going to say. All the possible outcomes are called sample space. What is it? Sample space. What is the meaning of sample space? All possible outcomes. What is the meaning of outcome? Result. We followed. What is experiment? These experiments, tossing the coin, okay, rolling the dice, selecting a card from the pack of cards, okay. What she says, taking a ball, selecting a ball from the packet. Okay, these are called what type of experiments? Random experiments. Are you followed what the meaning of random experiment? Yes. Arya, what happens? Some problem. So because of sunlight, close that button. Okay. I'll check. We will stop the time from here. Because it's hot. Okay, you want to cross that we getting this. Okay. Arya, what is the difference? What is the difference between normal experiment and now it's okay? Now it is okay. What is the difference between normal experiment and random experiment? Huh? We are discussing. Close that one. Huh? Answer is unpredictable. Random experiment. Okay. Unpredictable means we know what is going to happen, but exactly what is the result we don't know. Okay. Then result of the experiments are called outcome. All the possible outcomes are called sample space. Three words here followed. Okay. Random experiment, outcomes, and sample space. Okay. Huh? Outcome. Outcome. Sample space means all the possible outcomes. Okay, this is called which one? Sample space. Are you followed? Okay. Now, sample space. Okay. Now, next is, so first we are going to discuss about the sample space. Listen. First case is coming in sample space means what are the outcome I know. I can yeah. Next, see here. Listen. The first unit is coming as we are going to talk about what are the possible outcomes we are going to. Coin is tossed once. When a coin is taken and tossed once, how many possible outcomes are? Three possible outcomes. Still she isn't vertically only. I will also throw you up. Say how will you fell down? We'll see. We can different ways. Four ways. Which are the four ways? Acha. One will be she will be standing head down and head is down. Okay, and standing. Second way is what? Both the hands are there. No. Stay, but stand. From there, throw her, she will stand over. Third one, other. So when the head is down, no, and she head is down and this one. What asana is there that the yoga people do? What asana is there? Shisha. It will be okay from there in throw her. Imagine. Okay, then which is the third way? Okay. So when okay, that we will try with you. Okay. So when they coin toss one, how many possible outcomes are there? Two. Which are the possible outcomes? H represent head, T represent tail. When a coin is tossed twice once, how many possible outcomes are there? Two. Which are the H or T? Okay, understood all of you? Listen. Listen here. Second, so possible outcomes. Now, what are the possible outcome means? Number of possible outcomes is moved to that side. Keep it the bottles in a proper. There is a bottle. Otherwise, okay. Now we will find out how many ways you have bottle repel now. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Now, second one. When a coin is tossed twice, when a coin is tossed, she reached four. Thank you. When a coin is tossed, how many possible outcomes we are going to look at? Okay, listen. When a coin is twice. Okay, listen, all of you. Listen. Hello, listen. One coin is there, one toss, then second time. Okay. Listen here, all of you. No need of discussing with each other. Okay, you write, you your 4 is reached to 2 now. First again, 3 is reached to 2, or 2 to 4 also reached to 2. Okay. Yours should be no, enough. What you did not tell, you said 4, you said 3, you said 2, all possibilities are there. But one of these probably one of them. Teacher also, you write on. Hello, you write in the exam, these all teacher will select the correct thing and give the mark. Okay, now look here. Do you know what is the meaning of HH? Head first, second time also correct. What is the meaning of HT? First and head and tail. Is it HT and TH are same thing? No, it is not the same thing. What is the meaning of HT? First head, second tail. First tail. So these are two different cases now. Both are tail. So how many possible cases are there? 4. Are you followed, all of you? So when a coin is tossed for you want to lie down, you can sleep. Okay. No problem now. All okay now? Prishti, all okay now?
So, but like, how can it get more, sir?
Then what are the
Like, once we do idle exercise of tails.
one see?
Whenever we
Okay, you all of you be quiet now. Okay, Purna stand up. I given to a coin to you. What did you do? You toss. So your answer will be what? Heads or tails, one of the tail. Okay, head or tail. Okay. Then again you toss. Then what did you get?
It's unpredictable.
Unpredictable. You will get now. We will get the answer now. It will be either head. Or if it is head means this also possible now. If it is tail means what? It can be HT or so how many cases you got? How possible now? Okay. Enough. In between, no need to do all these things. Okay. Now.
We think that while tossing a coin,
We are taking what all possibilities are there. All the possibilities we are taking. Now, for example, possibilities. UT has conducted a test paper. Class test is there. Okay. Marks will. How many standard? How many stand? How many you seeing? Will you come here? Stand up there. Please come in. Please come in. What happened? Come here. I will go to you over there. Come to check or I will. Don't take this one. Huh? No. Okay. Now, listen carefully. Now these two. They let me see if any noises there, then I will go to. It's not musical chair from there, jump from there to there. Okay. Next, if I see, I'll make you to stand on the top of the desk. Okay. Instead of now, look here. So this way means probably will go on till 1 December also. We have to finish this one now. Okay. Now look here. I said one coin is tossed 2 times. Instead of that, 2 coins are there. You are simultaneously tossing. How many times? Same coin. 1 coin tossed 2 times or 2 coins tossed 1 time are same. 2 coins are there in your hand. Toss both of them 1 time. Once only. So that 1 coin is thrown. Huh? Why which are the 2 are good? Why heads or tail? It can be head. There are 2 coins are there now. Both are head possible. Both are tails possible. 1 head, other tail possible. Or this head, this tail possible. No? Okay. Understood or not? Okay. Yeah. So remember, single coin tossing 2 times or Pair of coin tossing one time, both are same. Have you followed this also? Okay. Third, a coin is tossed 3 times. Please don't shout now. Those who know, 6 you right. Listen, all of you open the book. All of you open the book and try to write which are the possible outcomes. You all one coin is tossed 3 times. What are the possible outcomes? See, look here. One coin tossed 1 time is this way. One coin is tossed 2 times this way. One coin is tossed 3 times. What are the possible outcomes? After that, I'll make you to write. No need to tell answer. Nobody will tell the answers. Just write. One coin is tossed 2 times. Okay. Keep it, keep it. Don't show to others. You have to write which are the possibilities. Which are the possibilities like this one now?
When we want while tossing of one, we want it to come heads, but instead of it comes tails, so we put HT.
All the possible cases you have to write. What are the possibilities? What all possibilities are there?
Many possible.
Many. How many possibilities you write? Okay, if you feel more than 25, write at least 25 possibilities.
Okay, 25.
You feel, if you feel, or many means it can be endless now. At least write 10 possibilities. Hey, don't look into each other's book. Those who feel this many only tell. Okay. After that, we will tell you. Hey, you got this one. You write all the things. Got it.
3 coins.
3 coins. Done.
3 coins. So we need
What is it there to tell? What you repeat? You tell what I said.
like 1 coin is tossed 3.
So that will be what I repeated. Last class on I said I make a report. Hey, who is that? Sanika. Sanika. So what is the problem for you? 1 coin is tossed 3 times. Completed. Okay. All of you. Don't write that way. Look at that in the board. The same format you write. Yeah, listen, all of you. When you write this one, all of you listen. When you write this one, you try to put in how many you got till now? 8. 8. You should in many, ask many, more than 8 is not there out. Thinking. Okay, listen, all of you. First and foremost thing is, you have to check, is it same thing I wrote 2 times? Okay, sometimes more number of times it should not be, repetition should not happen, then it's wrong now. There is a specific order is there. One of the way, there are different ways you can write. I can start with all 3 are heads. So HH. Okay, next 2 heads, these are 3 heads. 2 heads means what? 2 heads and 1 tail. That can be in different possibles. H, H, T. H, T, H, T, H, H. In all the 3 cases, how many heads are there? 2 heads. Are you followed or not? Okay. Then we will write all the possibilities with 1 head. 1 head means what? 1 head and 2 tails. So what do you? H, T, T. T, H, T. T, T, H. So this is 1 head. And third one is so 3 head, 2 head, 1 head, no head. No head means all are 8. No. Are you followed? You can start with instead of that one 3 tails, 2 tails, 1 tail, no tail in a specific order book. Otherwise, what will happen? You wrote HHT, you may write again HHT. So and then you'll count, oh, there are 8 of it. Are you followed? Sanika followed? How it is coming? Yes. Diya. Okay, this is called, what is it? 3 coins are possible outcomes. 3 coins are tossed how many times?
Three.
Sorry, 1 coin tossed how many times? 3 times. Or it is as same as 3 coin tossed 1 time. Both.
If it is said that the coin is tossed four times.
That is something different now. 4 will come, 5 will come, 6 will come, 10 will come. Why you are thinking about 4 times? First you learn 3 times now. Okay. Coin is tossing 3 times and coin is tossing 4 times are 2 different things now. Not the same thing. Are you followed? So what is same thing I said? 1 coin tossed 3 times or 3 coin tossed 1 time. Okay. Now here this is what, how many are there? Possible outcomes 2. Possible outcome 4. Possible outcome 8. This is called 2 raised to 1. This is 2 raised to 2. This is 2 raised to 3. 2 raised to 3. 1 coin, listen how it is coming in. Single coin tossing means how many possible outcomes are there? 2. So 2 raised to 1. 1 coin tossed 2 times, 2 raised to 2. 1 coin tossed 3 times, 2 raised to 3. Even if 1 coin tossed 4 times, how many possibilities will be there? 2 raised to 4. 2 raised to 4, 16. 1 coin tossed 1 time means 2 raised to 1. 2 times means 2 raised to 2. 3 times means 2 raised to 3. 4 times means 2 raised to 4. 5 times means 2 raised to 5. No need to learn this much. Are you followed now? This one. Are you followed? Everyone? Okay. How many? Now look at this one. The last one. Answer to my cases. How many cases are there? Exactly 3 heads. Exactly 3 heads. One only, no? How many cases are there? Exactly 1 head. Exactly 1 head. 3. Yes or no? Okay. How many cases are there? Exactly. There is no head. 1. How many cases are there? Exactly 2 heads.
3.
Counting you have to just only counting only you have to do. That is why I write in a proper order. Those of you followed. What? HHH means 2 heads. Exact. What is the meaning of exactly 2 heads? Huh? So you go to the shopping, you go to the market. You need two pen and 1 pencil. So you will buy 3 pencil and pencil. 3 are there. That way, no? Understood? 2 pencil and 1 pen means it should be okay. Exactly 2 means this one. This is not exactly 2. This is 3 pens. Okay, read and understand. Okay. Are you following this one?
Yes.
Okay. Next is this much is Rahi, please stand up. Further, if I draw something in the book, you draw, I'll draw everything in the book. She already did. Yeah. To this side. Move to this side. Move to this side. Give the back to the other side. Come to the extreme side. You move to the other side. I have given you the place, not that place. No, you only will jump and one there. Okay, now listen. I am going to tell about next case is little complicated. Little complicated means think and do it. Before going to this one, okay, listen carefully. Before going to this one, UT has conducted 1 test paper, class test paper. Okay, I'll come to maths. Then I will ask you to know how much mark is that. How much? Sir, I will get this much. I will get this. Okay, so if I tell that I will get at least 12 marks or 50, class test only 50. Okay, I will get at least 12 marks. What are your possibilities of marks? You are don't need to shout.
At least
12 marks.
8.
What are your possibilities of the mark? No half mark and all, 1 mark should be. And
Those who know, please raise the hand. I did not ask you to
At
mark.
least
12 marks. Mark is out of 15. Earlier, at least 12 marks. Those who know, please raise the hand. Okay. I seen there are 2-3 people without opening the mouth. Your hand is up or down? So then put the hand down. Okay, Sanika.
yes, it is.
Which are what is 3?
It could be good.
No.
It could be
Very good. It can be, there are 4 different cases. At least 12 means it can be 12, it can be 13, it can be 14, it can be 15. What is the meaning of at least 12? Minimum 12. Are you followed? All of you. Any confusion? Those who are, raise the hand. Those who have any more confusion, raise the hand. Same exam. Okay, another child has it. Okay, another child says. Rohan. Rohan says, I will get at most 11 marks.
At most 11.
At most 11 marks.
Ah.
Okay, what are his chances of mark? Those who know, please raise the hand. Avnish, tell. What? 5 marks. Which are the 5? Finally, what is it? 4. Decide one thing.
At most.
It's wrong.
Sir.
You, Dia.
what?
Huh?
Well.
You said, hello. You are telling to me or you are telling, so talk to her. No, I told you. Priyanshi, level. Which are the level? Which are the 12?
0, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Very good. Who is, you also said. Okay. You are going to say 4. Okay. What? You are busy in the talking there now. When I ask you to explain, me, you are telling. When I ask the thing, you have to tell to me. She is your teacher. So then you have to tell me your answer now, explain. So someone else got the prize now. So this is not fair. When we ask you, when you tell me, when I ask something, means you have to tell me or someone else. I'll go and tell to someone. Then I asked, then in between you started talking to us. I did not ask to talk to her. So that is the thing, tell. That is the way you should learn. So then finally someone else said, so credit goes to someone else. So at most, look here, at most means maximum. If he says, look here, if he says at most 11 mark, okay, if he gets 0 also, his statement is correct. Yes or no? Are you followed? What's the meaning of at most 11? It can be maximum mark, he can get it 11. Suppose if he get 12, his statement is wrong. Okay, are you followed? Understood what is the meaning of at least and at most?
Yes.
Not followed? Huh? Followed? Yes or no? Tell. That's it. Are you followed? Yeah, Paka, you are followed. Kind of, what is it? Kind of. I will tell followed, not followed, only one answer. Only. You followed. One answer you have to give. Follow. Not for followed, not followed. That's only. No. Kind of, maybe, partially, don't tell. If not followed, we'll explain again that same answer. Then tell no, I am not followed. At most means maximum. Okay. You will go to the shop. Okay. Then this will. Okay. You will ask, you want to do, okay, go and eat pani food. So your father will ask how many? I will maximum, I need 5. What is the meaning of maximum 5? I am happy with a 0 also. I am happy with a 1 also. I am happy with a 2 also. I am happy with 3 also. I am happy with a 4 also. I am happy with a 5 also. Minimum 3 means from 3 to how much ever. I will eat 3 or I will eat 4. I will not 5 or I will eat 6. Maybe maximum they will give only 6 only. So it will be 3. Minimum I need. You You ordered one plate of pani puri. How many pieces are there? 6 pieces. 6 pieces are there. You tell, I need minimum 3 pieces. Then what is the meaning? You should get either 3 or 4 or 5 or 6.
Like
Minimum means minimum that much. At least I should get this much. Okay. Maximum means that much from there to there. Okay. Understood or not? Okay. If I ask you in the exam, how much mark you will get? You will get at least 12 marks. What is the meaning? Your mark may be 12 or more than it. Okay. If I get at the most, I will get 10 marks. What is the meaning? I can get the beyond 10, I cannot get. My mark will be 10 or below 10. It can be 0 till 10. Are you following the difference? All of you follow?
Yes.
Okay. Now, I am going to ask one by one. Look at here. You have to tell how many. Those who tell the answer me, they are disqualified. I am telling you, look at the board. Can you see the board? What is written on the board? Okay. Now you can see. Okay. Listen carefully. I will not repeat the question. Coin toss 2 times. At least 1 head. Number of pieces.
Twice.
And so this is the one you people have to listen. And since it's the first time, I will repeat once again. Otherwise, you will not. Okay. Coin toss twice. At least 1 head. Find the number of pieces. 1, 3, 7. Medium size. Out of that 4, she will be standing vertically. I want all the teachers. There are a lot of teachers. This girl is telling all the points are vertically standing. How many of you feel 3? 3 is 37. Put the hand down. What is the meaning of at least 1 head?
Minimum is 1.
Minimum 1 head. Is it minimum 1 head? No. Is it minimum 1 head? Yes. Minimum 1 head? Yes, minimum 1 head. More 1 or more than 1 head. Understood? 1, 2, 3. Understood all of you? Okay. Followed. Next. What is writing? Hello, no need to write. Write in your brain. Okay. Now, read and listen. Coin tossed twice. At most 1 tail.
1 tail.
1 tail. At most 1 tail. Okay. Those who yes. 3. Those who feel 3, put the hand down. What is your case? You so yes. You 2, 1. Now, did you hear what Sarvesh tell us? What is the question asking?
At most
Coin tossed how many times?
twice.
Twice. Okay. Coin tossed is twice. Okay. What is the question? At most 1 tail.
1 tail.
1 tail means it can be 0 tail or it can be 1 tail. 0 tail means this one, this one. Okay. Understood or not? There are 3 cases of it. What are she keep on telling answer. 7 she will tell. 4 she will tell. Hello. Now look here. Avni, listen. If I talk about this one, okay. If I talk about this one, your answer can be maximum is 2. It cannot be more than 2. That is why here you said 7 now. Okay. This one. Understood. This one how many? Maximum is 4. Beyond 4 it cannot be. This one maximum is 8. Okay. Now, listen carefully. Open your notebook. Okay. Yeah. What happened? What is what? Huh? Why your pen has come 3, 4 times up? Let it be there. You people. Right. Right. Pause to be. What? Where is your pen? Where is your pen? Next time if they disturb, you tell me. Then I think you tell Sanika. Whenever disturb, you tell me, no? I will do whatever required. Okay. Right. First step, right. Possible outcomes. Possible outcomes. Different possible outcomes. First one. One. Coin tossed once. Coin is tossed once. Coin, COIN, TOSS. Coin toss once. Right. Okay, right. What are the possible outcomes? H comma T. H comma. What are the possible outcomes? Now she said how. You're okay now? Had your food today? No food. No, that's it. Second case. Coin tossed twice. Coin tossed twice. Which are the possible outcomes, right? Yeah. Okay.
Coin toss.
Coin toss thrice. Coin toss thrice. Coin toss thrice. Write the possible outcome. Who asked you to write? I did not. Just now they asked you to write. Who? Achha, whatever is coming on the board, just copy it. Not people. I feel we make notes. Completed. Yeah.
So what will come like after price?
4 times and not required.
No, like for 4 times there is no word like price.
4 times. Twice. What happened? Are you okay? So you can give an answer, please. She says no. Okay. Okay. Now listen. This page is written. Now again, I am not making to write coin toss, 1 coin toss twice, or 2 coin toss once, both are same. Now I am going to ask certain questions. You don't need to write the question. You write the answer over there in that one. Okay. Okay. First quiz. You don't need to write, you just write the answer. Okay. They mean the first question's answer. Okay. Coin tossed thrice. 2 heads. Did I that much only? There is nothing else. 2 heads. Yeah. Who is that? Who said that 3? Who said that 3? How many? Next you will be moved out from the lecture. I am telling you. Whatever you got, you write over there. B. Coin toss twice. So at most 2 heads. Time over. Next one. Coin toss thrice. At least 1 head. At least 1 head. Next. Next. Coin toss thrice. Coin toss thrice. Next. At most 2 heads. At most 2 heads. Answer you wrote?
Yes.
All of you wrote?
Yes.
Okay. Coin toss thrice, at most 2 heads. No? Answer sure, but the all of both of you, all of you exchange your book with others. You don't need to take it. I will keep an exchange. You know, give it to you also. Give it to you. I will take it. Hello, what is it? Whose is that book? Where is your book? In the jail. In the jail. Hello, time over. You don't need to write all these things. Numbers only need it. Okay. Hello. Yeah. Why it is going again? Who put all the 3 ticks? Why did you put all 3 ticks? How do you know what is it correct or wrong?
Sir, like
Mine also say. Listen here. That can be boy equally wrong also, no? Okay. First question was coin tossed 3 times. And Rahi, you stop talking now. And coin tossed 3 times. And it is a question was 2 heads. Answer is 3. Hello, Mera, you looking at this one. Second one. Second one. Coin tossed which many times? 2 times. At most 2 heads.
One.
At most 2 heads. Answer is 4.
Yes. At most 2 heads.
Yes.
Here did you? Hello. Hello. Yeah. All of there is no need of a discussion between this one. Nobody will discuss. Hello. You check this one. That much only. Beyond that, nothing else. Okay. How did you get not getting the answer? I will tell you. Now, third one. Coin tossed 3 times. The question was at least 1 head. 7.
Yes.
And next one, coin toss 3 times. At least 2 heads. At least last one. Wait. I did not ask you. This one. This is 4. Yeah, it is at least or at most. At most, okay, no? Yeah. Who got all 4 correct?
Yes.
Huh? You crossed the.
That's mine.
You got all 4 correct. Okay. Now, who got all 4 wrong? What is the problem here? Look here. That is the thing, you know. One by one, I will now. One by one. This first question was coin toss how many times? 3 times. Coin toss 3 times. All of you had 3 times only?
Yes.
Other than you, everyone had 3 times because you are busy in something else. Now, 2 heads I said. Then you only asked me, is it at least or at most or what? Did you ask? So we all remember that whole thing. And you said me too. Okay. 2 heads means, if it is simply given 2 heads means exactly 2 heads. This is the case. From here, you have to find out 2 heads. 1, 2, 3. These are 3 cases. And here, it's a question I given partially only. I will write which are these. That also you have to write me, you have to write. Then the answer may be not this also, that part also. Are you followed? Anyone having a problem with this one? Second question was given us coin toss twice. At most 2 heads. At most 2 heads means maximum is 2 heads. It can be 0 head, it can be 1 head, it can be 2 head. 0 head means everything. 0 head, 1 head, 2 heads. Do you know what I mean by at most? At most means maximum. At most 2 means it can be 2, can be 1, can be 0. 2 heads, 1 head, 0 head. Okay, problem solved. Still anyone having a problem? Purna, your problem solved? Okay, Priyanshu, your problem solved? Okay. Third one. Coin toss 3 times. At least 1 head means minimum 1 head. It can be 1 head, can be 2 head, can be 3 head. 1 head is all. 2 heads. So all these 7. Other than this one. Are you followed? And the last one it is coming in. Same coin toss 3 times. And which one? At most 2 heads. At most 2 heads means it can be 0 head, 1 head, 2 head. Other than this one, everything. Answer these numbers may be same, but all the outcomes may be different. Are you followed, all of you? Have you noticed this one? You have to counting only, you have to do it. Be careful. It's all things, the answers are there from their counting. Very careful. The teachers will see, okay, is it 7? Yes. Mark. Is either not 7, 0. Like that. Okay. My this much was correct. You cannot tell. Okay. Understood. Have we followed at least and at most? Okay. Now, we will these type of questions, more it will come later counting. Now I'm going to talk about dice. Die. You know what I mean by die? Okay. Not dying, okay. There are not. Okay, there are another die, color die and all. Okay. Yeah, at least you know Ludo. Okay, die, you know. Die is what the shape of the die? How many faces? 6. What is written? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, those who know what is your feeling called? Okay. Okay, listen. Those who know what is the result of the die, please raise the hand. What is the result of the die? Please raise the hand. Your hand is up or down? Okay, what is the result of the die? So, what is the, you tell, what is the result of the die according to you? 6 is the answer. Done, over. Finally, one answer is done. Okay. So then why you want? Okay, there are a lot of us.
So it's unpredictable.
Unpredictable.
1 by 6 times.
1 by 6.
It can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Huh? 1, 2, 3, 4. Result of the die means, you know what is the result? No. Hello, stop now. All of you stop. I given the chance for you people to speak now. Then let me speak and quiet. Now, if it is an examination is conducted, what is the result means what is it tell? I'll outcome. You will tell what is the result, I got this much mark. Result of the die means what is the upper phase. How will you find what is the answer or result of the die? What is coming when a die is rolled? What is the result of the die means what is coming on the top is called the result. Understood? What is the result of the die means the number which come on the upper page. The die is over here. You will see, this is 4. My answer is 4. I got 4. Did you tell? What do you see? What is on the top? Yes or no? Avni will see. See, this is minus 6. Yes or no? Like coin standing vertically. Okay. Understood or not? So what is the result of the die? The uppermost phase. Okay. What is the uppermost phase? Which are the, so now possible outcomes. Which are the possible outcomes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It can be. What she said? What is it? My dear, that is not when I do something else, you will tell something else. I did not ask 6, 12, 18. I said, what is the question was, what is the result? Result of the die means it is the uppermost face. What is coming on the uppermost face, that is called the result of the dice. Then next is what are the possible outcome means there are 6 possible outcomes. Which are they? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Priyanshi followed. Okay. Over there. So result you followed. Dia followed or not? Okay. Now next is here the die is rolled. Okay. How the don't shout. How many cases are there? Prime number comes. Yes, those who raise the hand, those who know. Sanika, 3 cases.
Three.
Prime numbers 2, 3, 5. Which are the 4? Tell. What is the prime number? No. Okay. The prime numbers are only 3 only. 1, 2. 1 is not there. 1 is composite. 1 is not in 5. 1 is not composite. Neither of these one. Okay. So it is 2, 3, 5. Okay. Composite number also. Okay. Understood or not?
Yes.
Okay. So like that odd number, even number, and perfect squares. This all. You know which are perfect. These all things you know now.
Yes.
So one die is already followed. Okay. Pair of dice. What is the spelling of dice? DICE. Pair of dice means 2 dice. 2 dice are rolled. Okay. Those who know how many possible outcomes, please raise your hand. How many possible outcomes?
If 2 dice are rolled.
2 dice. No need to write. Even.
I don't know.
Huh? And it answer we give. 12, 24, 12. Answer is not very deep enough. Hello, those who have answers. Answer is none of these. Answer is 36. Okay. And now she will tell. I said, did anyone ask? Did anyone ask? So to you, I said, this is at least in this class, I said 25 times to you. If you want to give the answer, did you see this one?
Sure.
And nobody will accept this one. I said to her. You have to, in the examination, you will write, tell the answer to her. You will not write in the paper. Then, the same thing only, na. Don't need to jump. If you want to tell, I asked everyone. They all said, Rai said, hello, I will tell. Don't worry. Okay. This one. If you want to tell the answer, you have to raise the hand, then I will ask. Then you tell loudly. I was not sure. I did not tell. That is your fault. Whose fault? Your fault. So this today is the second time you are doing the same thing. Na? Now, which are the 36 things are there? 1, 1. 1, 2. Are you following? 1, 3. 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6. Is it 1, 7 is there? Then 2, 1, 2, 2, 6. 3, 1, 2, 3, 6. 4, 1, 2, 4, 6. 5, 1, 2, 5, 6. 6, 1, 2, 6, 6. The total is coming as 36. Okay. Are you followed how which are the possible outcomes are there? 1, 1, 1, 2 till 6, 6. That is coming as how many? 36 are there. Hope all of you followed? No problem. Is it clear? Any other confusion is there?
No.
Okay, no problem. No, not 6 into 12, 6 into 6. It is as good as 6 square. 1 dice is rolled, 6 raised to 1. 2 dice are rolled, 6 raised to 2. 1 dice how many outcome? It's square cube and 3 dice means 6 raised to 3 like that. Okay now, this is clear. Another word, so dice all of you followed. Another word I am going to introduce. The wait now, dice, let's finish after that. Another word is called doublet. Have you heard of the word doublet? That is, you heard tell? No. Doublet means the same number. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6. They are called doublets. Means same number repeats. Okay. Doublets. Okay. Understood? Are you followed? Okay. These are called the same number. Okay. Doublets are there. How many doublets are there? Okay. Doublets of even numbers, doublets of prime numbers, doublets of composite numbers, like that is coming. Okay. Understood or not? Now, this also followed another one. Again, there's a lot of things we have to talk about the dice thing. When this is called two dice are rolled or one die twice, okay. If you take the sum, what is the minimum value of the sum? And the result will be coming as minimum value will be 2. What is the maximum value?
12.
12. 6 plus 6, 12. Sum of the numbers on both the dice. The least number is 1, 1. What is 1 plus 1? 2. What is the maximum? 12. Maximum is possibly 6 plus 6, 12. Possible more than that? Right. 1, 2 sum is coming at 1 plus 2, 3. Minimum and maximum I ask. Huh? This is meaning a single die. Or this is one die is rolled 2 times. First time we got 1, second time we got 1. So 1 plus 1. This one means first time 1, second time 2, 1 plus 2, 3. This means first time 6, second time 6, 6 plus 6, 12. Is it possible more than that? No. Below 2 possible? No. Understood? Now listen carefully. Now you have to count and tell. You look like I'm like Mogamba or something. Actually, Hitler or something. You know, you don't like Hitler? Your favorite character? You don't like Hitler? Who like you? According to you, which character? Cornelius Randall.
Yeah.
Who is that?
On the
Your center.
central,
Okay.
because I didn't know.
Oh, very good. We should learn a lot of things from him. He has a lot of knowledge of, so that's why he got a lot of knowledge of lot of things. But whenever he says something, I had a lot of things that need to do. Good. Yeah. How many cases are there? Sum is equal to 2.
1.
Only one case. Which is the case? 1, 1. Now, how many cases are there? Sum is equal to 3.
2 cases.
2 cases. Which are 2 cases?
1.
1 to 1 to 1. Are you followed? Now I'm going to ask one by one. Okay, and you have to tell me. Okay, no need to, then you have to write all the 36. I don't need to write, think and tell, nah. Okay, shall I ask you first? Okay, and Angel, how many cases are there? Sum is equal to 4. 4. Count and tell. 4. Wait. Loudly count. Loud, count loudly.
1, 3,
1, 3.
3, 1.
Don't go that way. After 1, 3, take 2, 2. Because ulta means between you may forget. 1, 3, 2, 2, 3, 1. So how many cases are there? 3 cases. Sum is equal to 4. All of you followed? Okay, you. Sum is equal to 5. Loudly tell the number.
1.
Sum is 1, 1, 4. 2,
3.
2, 3,
4.
3, 2, 4, 1. Like that. 1, 2, 3. Okay, that order. Okay, 4 cases. Sum is equal to 5. Okay. Sum is equal to 6.
5.
Start 1, 5, 2. 2 plus 2, 4, 3, 3, 4, 4, 2.
5, 1.
If 1 is adding in the other will decrease now. 5, 1.
And 6.
6. 6 nothing. 6 0 is no. 5, 1 over. I cannot array 1, 5. Look now, 1, 5. It is lazy. 15. 1, 5 means 15. 24. 33. 42. 51. Like that. Okay, let digits only. Otherwise, you write and see. Okay, sometimes writing it will take a lot of time. If you want to write means all 36 write and from there picking it's very difficult. Nah? Okay, sum is equal to 7. Diya. Hey, others be quiet. Others don't make anything. Okay, yeah.
1, 6. 2, 5,
Yes. Correct.
3,
4. You be quiet. Okay.
7. So
4.
5,
4, 3.
5,
Hello, she knows counting. Okay, better than you. 5, 6. 5, 2. 6, 1. There are 6 cases. Okay. Right. Sum is equal to 8.
7.
Start with 1. 1, 5, 1, 7 is in which die? 1, 7 is in which die? 7 is the number on the die. All of you turn, hey, listen, all of you turn this side. She will speak, you have to listen to her, not to look at her and yeah, tell. 2 say. And don't go that way. 3.
3,
4. 4, 4. 5, 3. 6, 2. 7, 1. You have to look here. You will all now saying good mistake you will make in the exam. So that is why. Oh, okay. Sum is equal. Okay, sum is equal to 10. Let me hear from you. No, that also everything is. Come on, you can. Hey, wait now. 21. 4, 6 is what? No, I will not make mistake.
Yeah.
Us. Okay, understood or not? That way you can count. If you see this one, you can see the numbers will be adding, increasing and increasing, then decreasing in the same order. Sum is 1, sum is 2 means like if this way will come. Sum is this is sum. And possible outcomes. PO means possible outcomes. Sum is 2, 3, 4. Sum 2 means only 1 case. This is 2 case. This is 3 case. 4, 5, 6. Then 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Like that. Sum is equal to 2. Sum is equal to 3. Sum is equal to 4. Sum is equal to 5. Sum is equal to 6. Sum is equal to 7 means 6 cases. 8 means 5 case. 9 means 4 case. 10 means 3 case. 11 means 2 case. 12 means 1 case. That you have to tell. Sum is equal to 11. We know which are the cases. 5, 6, 6, 5. 5, 6, 6, 5. Okay, product is equal to 5.
Is equal to
1, 5 and 5, 1. Product is equal to 6.
2, 3, 3, 2, 6.
1, 6, 2, 3, 3, 2, 6, 1. Product is equal to 7. Smart, all very smart, not possible. Yes, not possible, impossible. 1, 6 is product is 7. 1 I think people will ask who is after Rajnikant. Yeah, understood now? Okay, now shall I add up with at least and at most? Yes. If it is, if, look here. Okay, listen, one of them I'll ask. What example she's telling? Look here. Let's see how many of you count and tell. 2 dice are rolled. Okay, then the sum is at least 10. A simple example. Answer has to come. 10. Number of cases you have to tell. Hey. 3 cases wrong. Huh? What is that? Wrong. 50.
At least 10, na?
Yeah.
At least 10. Both love it, not 50.
Hello. Yes.
Many.
9 cases already. I don't know. Simply just. Do you know what is the meaning of sum is at least 10? Listen. Some can be 10. Some can be 11. Some can be 12.
I
Now
don't
look here. Sum is 10 means which are the 3 cases are coming?
5, 6,
4, 6, 5, 5, 6, 4. Sum is 11 means 5, 6, 6, 5. Sum is 12 means 6. Total there are 6 cases. Sum is at least 10. What is the meaning of sum is at least 10? Sum can be 10, some can be 11, some can be 12. Which are the cases of at least 10?
Minimum is 10.
At least mean minimum. That means sum is 10 means there are 3 cases will come. Are you followed? 4, 6, 5, 5, 6, 4. Sum is 11 means 5, 6, 6, 5. Sum is 12 means 6, 6. So all together count and it will come. Okay, sum is at most 6. 2 dice are not, sum is at most 6. Okay.
Sum is 5. 6.
Sum is at most 6. 6 is included. What is the answer? Wrong. So keep on 3, 2, 1, 0. All wrong. You think what is the answer?
25.
Keep going now.
Sir, 20.
Wrong.
9.
Wrong. Look here. Sum is
Wait, sir. Please.
It's at least 6.
be quiet now. No. Now, no. Yeah, you 7 answers she gave. Now she's. Now listen.
50.
Now, sum is at most 6. At most means sum can be 2. There is 1 case. Some can be 3. There are 2 cases. 1 plus 2, 3. Some can be 4. Some can be 4 means only 3 cases. So 6 cases you go. Some can be
5.
Some can be 5. So that is 6 plus 4, 10 plus 5, 15 is the answer. See. Did anyone have this?
He's dead.
Where? She only raised the hand and she said. Okay, understood. Okay. Understood or not? At most, so you have to at least at most it's a confusing one, you have to be careful. Now, the last one up here. Cards. Okay. All of you know cards now. That let's see. At least at most over. At least at most only there is a problem. Other than this one problem now, everything. That you have to write and see, then it will be easy. Okay. All of who knows about the card?
Cards, many much cards.
Huh? Playing cards, you know. Have you seen playing cards?
Yes.
Patte. Okay. Adhyaya standard. Okay, listen carefully. You should know. Those who don't know, please listen. Total how many cards?
56.
52.
Sir, we are considering only the cards. Jokers are not involved. Okay? There are no jokers, people are not.
10 and 3.
Okay.
Listen, listen. All of you. Hello. You listen. Okay. You listen. Now, total how many cards? 52 cards. How many colors? 2 colors. So, which are the colors? Red and black. How many red cards are there? 2 red cards. How many red? Who can that? Okay. Okay. So all of you listen, we should know they don't make mistake. The total is 52. There are joker is not who's joker again. Jokers are be quiet. Now, next is there are this is black. There are how many? 26. Red, how many are there? This much all of you followed 26. Then next is called next word is called forward. 4 suits. Different suits we SUIT 4 suits. Four suits means 4 types. Do you know how many?
You mean.
Shape.
Listen carefully. I'll tell now. Listen. There are two types of black card. One is called clefts
Clefts and spade.
and spade. Cleft means the tree one now. And the spade. So C represents cleft. Cleft shape we know.
Yes.
Okay. There are 13. S means spade. 13. Die means
Diamond.
Okay. H means heart. This shape all of you know, no?
Yeah.
Yeah. Diamond, do you know?
Yes.
Spade, all of you know? It's also this
Okay.
heart I to show draw and show. This one. This is what? Diamond. This one. What is the shape? Okay. Spade. Okay now. Now tell me which are these 13 cards? Who is that?
King, Queen, Jack, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
And eight.
One is
Eight.
one.
Ace,
Eight.
Yep, ace.
King, Queen, Jack. Ace, King, Queen, Jack. Numbers from 10 to 2. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Total. Huh? There is no one. There is no one. Listen here. Ace, King, Queen, Jack. Numbers from 2 to 10. Okay, total how many cards are there? 13. Same way here. Look. Same way here also 13 cards. Same Ace, King, Queen. Here also same Ace, King. Okay. And here also. All of you followed?
Yes.
Okay, everyone. Very low. All followed. You are not, what you are not followed. So don't who asked you to play the cards. You are expert in throwing the coin vertically standing. Okay, that is enough and more. Your feature is succeeded. Okay. Now listen, followed. All of you listen. Now I'm going to ask question from you. Okay. Priyanshi, how many aces are there? 9. Wait is none. How many aces are there? Paka, fine, pass. There are 4. One from here, one from here, one from here, one from here. Okay. Okay. Sanika, how many kings are there? 4. Okay. Dear, how many red queens are there? Yes. Hey, all of you put the hand down. Wrong. Red queens. 2. These are the red. These are the red card. Listen here. One queen over here, one queen. Both are black. These are red. One is showing red. Understood or not? How many queens are there? 4. Out of which 2 are red and 2 are black. Okay, understood. Now follow. Okay, you stand up. How many cards with the number 7? 4 cards are there. 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, understood or not? All of you followed. There is another type of card is called face card.
Face card. Yes.
Face card.
Yeah.
Which are the face cards? King, Queen, Jack. They have a face now. King got a face. Ace does not. Ace means A only written. Okay. Queen, you know. Queen. Okay. Jack is not Joker.
And Joker.
Joker is not included over here. I said no. Joker be quite. Joker, some of the cards there are 2 are there.
What is that?
That when you play the card, you play. Okay. Go. Cards all of you followed. Okay, now you stand up. How many jacks are there for you? 4 jacks. You don't have card, okay? For you, no jacks. Understood?
Yes.
This much is done.
Yes.
All right. Okay. Next class, we will going to study what is probability and how to calculate and all we will be doing. Okay, these are the counting and all. The question will come. How many are there? Okay, this is the introduction. Now look here. This exactly the same introduction will be there in the next year also. Similar one. Okay. Thank you very much. Don't go to probability one. First thing. Do the other question practice. Don't go and write the points or else you will see particularly standing over there. It will not happen, okay? Not preparing, not studying. Study something. Okay. Okay.